about a procedure that most of my patients inquire about: dental teeth whitening. Teeth whitening is one of the least invasive cosmetic procedures you can get done to immediately improve the appearance of your smile. Over time, our teeth become yellow and dull. This can happen because of aging, but also because of the kind of diet we have, where if we have a high intake of tea and coffee and certain spices, our teeth become dull and yellow. Whatever the reason may be for this dullness, teeth whitening is a quick and simple and painless procedure to immediately whiten and brighten that smile. There is an inherent difference between teeth whitening and teeth cleaning. Teeth cleaning gets rid of the superficial layer of plaque and tartar that can form on our teeth. Teeth cleaning can also remove superficial stains such as tea and coffee stains. But if you want an inherent whiteness and brightness in your smile, you need to opt for teeth whitening. The other thing I want to talk about is over-the-counter teeth whitening products versus getting your whitening done at the dental clinic. Over-the-counter products, many of them use abrasive particles to improve the appearance of your smile. This can be damaging to the surface layer called the enamel, and it can also result in a lot of teeth sensitivity. Also, since over-the-counter products are not tailor-made to each patient, you can get whitening agent leaking onto the gums, causing gum burns and of course intense sensitivity. So whenever you do want to do teeth whitening, please opt and go and see your dentist rather than using over-the-counter products. At the Dental HQ, we do a lot of teeth whitening. It's one of my favorite procedures to do on my patients, as not only do they immediately walk out with a whiter smile, but they walk out with a more confident smile. This week, follow us on our Instagram and Facebook to know more about the dental teeth whitening process at the Dental HQ. And also, if you get some time, look at the comments section below. There's a video there that I had made a few months ago, which talks about what kind of foods and drinks to avoid to keep a nice, bright, white smile there.